I am in energy day to day most of my day. I can look at my bottleneck right now, I can look at the forecaster, and I know that I have a real live pulse on where we are and what decisions we need to make. My name's Colton Arnold. I'm with Arnold Bros Cabinets. I'm the owner-operator. The company was started by my parents about 25, 30 years ago, and we've been energy customers since 2021. Before I was introduced to energy, we were living with information silos all over the place. We had a lot of data, but none of it was tied to each other. It felt like we were either pushing a broom or we were working overtime all the time. I had tried a few homegrown methods, but nothing we tried worked for us as a millwork company. What sold me on energy was being able to sit down, look at their interface, and see that they were solving the problems that I had in a real world scenario day to day. I was a little worried at first that maybe it was a little too daunting or too detailed for us. Onboarding in energy, I felt like I had a great group of people around me, energy people. It was, how can we tailor what we have to the way you operate? I felt like we had a partner in it instead of just somebody we had bought a piece of software from. Energy has definitely made us more efficient, and because we're more efficient, we're more profitable. I have been able to see and use the forecaster, use the tools inside of energy, the bottleneck report, and know where we need to plan and be very strategic about placing capacity and making sure that our workflow is as flat and continuous as we can. I have proven that a small company can utilize energy. I would say go for it, and once you do, just start moving. It's not gonna be perfect day one, but just continue to roll through and continue to have conversations in your team about how you make it work for your workflow.